Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio watch model MTP-1374D-2AVDF. Let's get started. This Casio watch with these blue details looks excellent. The case width is 43 mm, and it has a mineral glass. In terms of features, it includes a date display, day of the week, and a 24-hour indicator. The bracelet of this watch is made of stainless steel, and the watch weighs 124 grams. The water resistance of this watch is 50 meters. What do you think about this watch? Would you buy it? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.